Alright guys, this is my 12-volt server power supply, and it was not turning on, and I modified it to charge my 200 ampere hour batteries. I modified it to 14.5 volts. This is the casing here. So the thing was, it became dead, it was not working. So I figured it out over here, and I found this our capacitor is shorted. The main capacitor is shorted. Let me see if I can show you guys. Oh, chopstick mode. Alright, can you hear it? I put it here. You guys can see. I never knew that capacitors can get shorted, because this never happened before. And when I remove this capacitor, see, it is shorted 1 ohms. So what I did is I used this spare capacitor to test it. I just traced these 2 wires to here, and when I touched it like this and turned it on, it started working. Let me show you guys. Alright, polarity should be right here and here. Okay, like this, it will turn on. So for that, I'll show you. Okay, wait a second. We have to do this and do this. Alright, and then how should I power on? Okay, so let me power on by method. See, it's working now. The fan is spinning, you guys can see, and also our light lights up by doing this. So this is one way to test it. Alright, okay guys, thanks for watching. Alright, so I found a capacitor of similar rating, but it's slightly larger. Maybe I should call it, it's slightly a bit bigger in the length. Where is it? Sorry, this one. This is the original one, and this is what I found. And fortunately, they both have same rating, 450 volt and 390 microfarads. This one is exactly same, 450, 390 microfarad. But still, the one I found, it's slightly bigger and slightly higher in length. So I cannot put the circuit here. So what I did is I just connected a wire to it, and this is insulated wire, and so I fixed it like this, and now the power supply is working fine, and my work here is done. Alright, so my battery charger is alive now, and I'm trying to assemble it back.